It's time to do another delivery. How are you doing? Welcome to, what's the name of my channel? Forgot the name of my channel. Welcome to Living and Logging in Germany. Howdy folks, are you coming with us? We're gonna go to deliver a load of firewood. It's one face cord and 1.5 face cord. I always have to recalculate since we're in Europe. It's 1.5 face cord. I have to stack it in my trailer. Gonna deliver it now. There she is, folks. Completely to the rim. Like an Alabama girl on a Saturday night out drinking, eh? Let's go for a ride. Check out the BMW. Will she pull the load? Of course she will. 3-liter diesel power. Well, we're actually illegally on our way because the trailer we got, it doesn't have any brakes on it, and here in Europe, I don't know how it's in America, but here in Europe, if your total weight of your trailer is over 750 kilos, well, how much is 750 kilos? Well, it's standing right here. If it's over 750 kilos, your trailer is supposed to have a brake on it. So mine hasn't got a brake, so I can load up to 750 kilos. And right now, I got approximately 1,100 kilos in there. How many? Over here. So we're 30% loaded over the maximum capacity, which is illegal. And that's just my kind of thing. Doing the little things in life like they're not supposed to. Because if you do everything according to the law, life gets pretty boring. Yeah, folks, that was another day delivering firewood. It's not the only thing I did today. I was at the ranch, which you will see in another video. I'm tired again. I need some coffee. Thanks for watching.